Welcome, this is my 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA AMG 45, and today I'm going to be installing some 15mm spacers. And here's what we're dealing with. We get the factory 20-inch wheel and tire set up here. It's the upgrade set. Let's see, I have a 235/40 ZR20s on it right now. I got white factory lugs, and here is a new 15mm with 5 new extended lug bolts with the proper head on it there. And let me show you what this looks like. I'm doing some other work on the car, that's why the towel's wrapped around here, but you know, here's a look of the setup stock. So it's going to bring these out just a little bit further, 15mm the space of this. So I've never taken these wheels off. It should be pretty simple. You can see the front up there, the way it's kind of sunk in. I'll do it from the back here. I mean, it's from the front. So as you can see, now this is the stock suspension right now. You know, the GLA AMG has a little bit sporter suspension, so it's a little bit lower than the jacked up ones. But I think with the wheel spacers, getting these wheels pushed out should make a nice difference to it. Should look a lot more flush. So I think everybody knows how to jack up a car and take wheels off. While I have these wheels off, I'm going to clean the hub, the inside of the wheel, and I'm going to do some Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax on the inside of the barrel, I guess what you would call it. That way I don't have to get in there and clean that very often. I'm going to clean the calipers really good while I'm in there too. Get some wax on them because they're red. But that's just what we do while we have these wheels off. And show everybody what it looks like when it's done. Alright, I know it's in my garage here, but it's not as loud. But now the wheel spacers are on. So this is 15mm spacers. And they're hub-centric, made for the Mercedes rims. I tell you what though, the original wheels kind of had not corroded where it meets the hub, but just like it was tight to get them on. I had to scrub them with like a bristle. But yeah, the wheels turned just a hair right now on the front, but as you can see, it is very flush. Now once the new suspension gets on, check out the other video for the H&R springs. This should look really good. Nice and flush. But yeah, I'm very happy with those results. Very easy to put on. Did the black lugs this time instead of the original OEM silver ones. So this looks way better. So stay tuned. This video's up. Possibly the other suspension video will be up soon, or it's already up. Check out my channel for all the builds, you know, fun little things we do to the cars. I appreciate everybody who watches and subscribes and, you know, all that good stuff. I try to put out some fun stuff. Catch you later.